So today's topic is comparing quantities from NCERT exercise 8.1. Question number 1. Find the ratio between the speed of cycle and speed of scooter. It is given that in your book speed of cycle is 15 km per hour and speed of scooter is 30 km per hour. So find the ratio between the two vehicles. So ratio between the speed of two vehicles. So 15 is to 30 equal to 15 by 30 equal to 1 is to 2. Next question number B, 1B, 5 meter to 10 kilometer. So they are different unit. First convert it in the same unit. So 5 meter to kilometer to meter multiply by 1000. So 10 into 1000 meter. So equal to 5 meter is to 10,000 meter. Equal to 5 by 1000 equal to 1 by 2000. 5 by 10,000. So divide it, common divisor by 5. So it is 1 by 2000. So 1 is to 2000. Next C, 50 paisa to rupees 5. So convert it in the same unit. Rupees to paisa multiply by 100. So it is 500. So 50 paisa to 500 paisa equal to 50 by 500 equal to 1 by 10 equal to 1 is to 2. Next question number 2. Ratio is given 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4. Ratio to percentage. Find the ratio to percentage. So 3 is to 4 equal to 3 by 4 into 100. So convert the ratio into percentage. So multiply this 3 by 4 into 100%. So simplified value is 4 25 is 100. So 25 into 3 75%. Next question number B. 2 is to 3 equal to 2 by 3 equal to 2 by 3 into 100%. Equal to 200 by 3% equal to 66 whole 2 by 3%. So there is no common divisor between 200 and 3. So convert it to the mixed fraction. 66 whole 2 by 3%. Next question number 3. Total number of students equal to 25. 72% of the students are interested in mathematics. So percentage of students, those who are not interested in mathematics is 100 minus 72%. That is 28% students are not interested in mathematics. So number of students are not interested in mathematics equal to 28% of 25. Total number of students 25. So 28% of 25. So 28 by 100 into 25. Its calculated value is 7. So 7 students out of 25 students are not interested in mathematics. Question number 4. A football team won 10 matches out of the total match they played. And it is given that their winning percentage was 40%. That means out of 100 matches they won 40 matches. So let they play X match in all. So 40% of X equal to 10 equal to 40 by 100 into X equal to 10. So simplest value of 40 by 100 equal to 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 X equal to 10. So 2X equal to 50, X equal to 25. So total number of matches they played equal to 25. In another method, in the same problem in another method, a football team won 10 matches. Their win percentage was 40% winning percentage. Now they win 40 matches out of 100 matches they played. When the match they played 100 matches, that means out of 100 matches they win 40 matches. They win 1 matches out of 100 by 40 matches. They win 10 matches when the total number of matches they played 100 by 40 into 10. So 0 0 4 into 25 100. So 25 matches. So they played 25 matches in all. Next question number 5. Chameli spent 75% of her money. So percentage of money left with Chameli equal to 100 minus 75% equal to 25%. So Chameli spent 75% money and after spending left amount of money left, percentage of money left with her equal to 25%. So 25% rupees 25% left with her if she have rupees 100 in the beginning? Rupees 1 left with her if she have rupees 100 by 25 in the beginning. Rupees 600 left with her if he have originally 100 by 25 into 600. 25 4 are 100, 4 into 6 24 and 00, that is 2400. So originally she have rupees 2400. Next, question number 6. 60% people like cricket. It is given that in your book. 30% people like football. It is also given in the book. So 100 minus 60 plus 30. 100 minus 90. 10% people like other games. And total number of people equal to 50 lakh. That is 50 lakh. So number of people like cricket equal to 60% of 50 lakh equal to 30 lakh. Number of people like football 30% of 50 lakh equal to 1,50,000. It's called 30 by 100 into 50 lakh 00 cut this. So 50,000 into 30, so 1,05,000, so 1,50,000. Sorry, 15 lakh. 15 lakh people like football and 30 lakh people like cricket. Number of people like other games 10% of 50 lakh, because it is already calculated that the 10% people like other games, so 10% of 50 lakh. So 10 by 100 into 50 lakh equal to 5 lakh. So 30 lakh people like cricket, 15 lakh people like football and 5 lakh people like other games. Thank you.